like the content to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep posting these videos to keep you informed about the daily inventory we have coming in. Right now you're looking at a 2019 VW Volkswagen Beetle. As you can see, the engine compartment is clean. There's no damage to the front end. Radiator, condenser, everything is good. Vehicle starts. Let's close the hood. It's a nice brown top with a black exterior. You have the nice alloys. Nice color combo. Top opens and closes. Damage to the right rear quarter. A little damage to the inner structure here. That's repairable. This part looks good here. Inner quarter. These quarter panels unbolt. This part right here is like a steel piece that unbolts. You need the right rear suspension. You can find a knee assembly for around $175 used for this vehicle. You have damage here. That's pretty much it. It's not into the top. The top's not bent. Really nice, easy fix. Let's take a look inside. You have the nice cross-stitch interior. Navigation. Two-tone trim. It's an automatic. This trim panel's in the trunk back here. One that's missing. Really nice. This one also. This would be a nice commuter car for someone going to school, first time driver. Good on gas. It'll be on our website soon. Thanks for watching.